Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by closing Minecraft so files aren't in use. Once done, navigate to the Saves folder for your OS and locate the Exact World folder. Make a full copy of that folder, include level, DAT, player data, and region, and paste it to a safe location like desktop or an external drive. This prevents partial saves and locks. Next, rename the copy with a clear date or version so you can identify it later without opening Minecraft. Now make durable backups by compressing the copied folder into a zip or 7Z archive. Include the date in the file name to track snapshots. Then upload one archive to cloud storage so a drive failure won't lose everything. If you want multiple restore points, keep sequentially numbered folders or use MCA selector to extract region slices between saves. Make sure compression finishes and the archive opens successfully. A corrupt zip is worthless. Finally, keep one recent uncompressed copy locally for quick restores. To restore, first close Minecraft and rename or remove the current world folder so you don't overwrite unintentionally. Next, unzip your backup archive directly into the Saves folder and confirm level. DAT, region / and player data exist. Launch Minecraft and load the world. Verify chunks and player spawn. If the world fails to open, make sure the backup was from the same game version. If corrupted, try a different snapshot or extract only region files and import them to a fresh world. Always keep multiple dated backups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.